So hi, I'm going to show you how to create IFTTT. So IFTTT stands for if this that. So first is we're going to go at type the IFTTT.com and then click get started. So if you want to sign up, so you can use your email, if and then also if you have already a Google account, so you can connect it to your Google account. So now I'm going to use my email account. Okay. So I'm going to log in my email account. So log in. Next is click create. So click add, and then we'll choose social media for our services. Okay, and then click, I will choose Facebook. So we have options here or choices for if you want to choose any of these. So me, I will choose this one, and then you will connect to your Facebook account, your personal Facebook account, and then click the create trigger. And then next is we're going to add the then that. So this is the action. So add, and I will use services for Gmail, for my Gmail account. See what kind of Gmail. This one. And then send an email or send yourself an email. So I'll choose send yourself an email. And then click connect. So your Facebook and your Google should be connected. So we'll use my Google account. Okay, click continue. Okay, when you allow this, okay, continue. So there you go. This is my Gmail account, and then I will put the subject here, Facebook notification, and then create action, and then so now you will see the if is the service that I added is my Facebook. So then is my Gmail. The service is my Gmail. So Facebook should be connected to my Gmail. So click continue. So if any new post by you in area, then send yourself an email from julietsambo2020@gmail.com. So next is click finish. So my Facebook is connected already to my Gmail. So this is how to use IFTTT for automation. So that's all. Thank you.